Alright, another day working on the Honda Steed 400 engine for that bike. So, what I've been struggling with is being the screws here that were stuck. One here and two the other side of the alternator. So, but I had to, destroy this engine and remove using welding. So like you see there, I had to weld on another the screw and then remove this one from this. I did the same because I did the same the other side, and I ended up destroying part of the motor. Yeah, but maybe I'll put some epoxy there, and I've added on some silicone. But yeah, now this side is probably done. The clutch side, I'm just going to put on the cover. That's the cover with the new gaskets. I have some brand new gaskets. So let's work on this and then I'll put it back together. Take it from there. So I had forgotten to stress how removing this broken bolt was a pain in the ass. One of the hardest things I've done on this engine rebuild. It was a real pain in the ass. I couldn't record the process, it was too much. I had to try again so many times, weld it on, reduce the size and then sand it, then grind a little bit, grinder, and then it was too much. So, and there were three of them. So, yeah, but successfully, you'll see the other side. Two the other side, one this side that was broken. Yeah, yeah. Alright, a little updates for the engine rebuilds. Process of this Honda 400 Steed. So I the covers. This is the state alternator side. I put this back with my gaskets. You can see it peeping out. It wasn't fitting very well, but I managed to make it work. Just makes things work as much as possible. This other side as well. And the bolts that I had gotten stuck, I had to fix that with epoxy. Resin, so no, epoxy, two-piece kind of glue. So yeah, this is how far we've gone with the top of the engine. I just need to these are the parts for the top cover. Just put these gaskets, this top cover, brand new gasket. The other one is here. Don't you like brand new gaskets? At least I'll try to use brand new gaskets on this engine. So that one that I'll put over there. The other parts, make them go over here. So what I'll need to do is just to also do the valve clearance before I of course put back everything together. Just have to do some timing with those things. Here, there, and then match everything, time the motor very well, and then do the valve clearance, and then put back everything together, and then good to go. Put back oil, and then yeah, maybe it should go in the bike soon. Bike is covered up there. Yeah, let's see. Let me get down here. Alright, so this is where we at with the Honda Steed engine 400, and yeah, I had some issues with the cam chain, the two cam chains. that didn't seem to fit, so I had to remove them and then had them, add some other thingy teeth, or yeah, whatever you call them. So, and I added those two other, levels to make them longer, and this is where we at now. So still haven't put back this, just for to adjust. The bolts are not in, it's still open as well, but we're going to put it back today because we still needed to work with those the cam chains. So good enough, I have some help with a mechanic friend, so he's coming around, but now I'm doing the valve adjustments. So what I have to do this morning, and then do the other things. We have to put back those water pieces, maybe put the rubber insulators on today as well, and then put back everything with the covers on. But now let me first finish with the valve adjustments. I did this on the front cylinder. Now I'm going to the rear cylinder. Alright, it should be top dead center for the rear cylinder. Alright.